Hello everyone, welcome to Fresa Technologies YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to see how to map invoice book in organization of Fresa application. Initially, we have to log in into Fresa application. After a successful login, this is how our dashboard looks. Now, navigate to the required organization page. Go to the Masters module. Select the organization menu. Enter the required organization name. Click Submit. Now the required organization will be displayed on the screen. Here, click the Edit option. On this organization details page, go to the Accounts tab. Here, select the required COA and click the Edit option. Map the required invoice book and click Save Changes. These are the steps to map invoice book in organization of Fresa application. Thanks for watching.